Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha Videos. This video is for class 8, chapter 1 rational numbers, and in this video we are going to discuss the problems from exercise 2. Here is your first problem. Represent these numbers on the number line. Okay, he gave the number as 9 by 7. So please don't confuse how to represent the numbers. This type of numbers means the rational numbers which are in p by q form. Okay, don't forget or don't confuse in representing these numbers on the number line. It is very easy. Just follow the procedure. Simple. See here, you should, here the procedure is you should see the denominator. Take denominator and take from 1 by 7, 2 by 7 in that way. Okay, so if the denominator and the numerator are same, then only you will get 1, right? So here the denominator is 7. When the numerator is also 7, then only you will get 1. So at 1 it is 7 by 7. Okay. So like this you represent 7. Denominator is 7, right? So when it is 7, so you will take from 0, 1 by 7, 2 by 7. Till where you will take? Till 9. Means it is enough to take till 10. 10 by 7 it is enough. Okay. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. At 7 by 7, when the denominator and numerator both are same, you'll get 1. Where you'll get 2? Here we are taking denominator 7 means you should take 7 table. 7 2s means 14. At 14 by 7 you'll get 2. Okay. But not necessary. 9 by 7 means if you take till 10 by 7 it is enough. Okay. So 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7. So here he asked 9 by 7. So we represented 9 by 7. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. Here is your next problem. Minus 7 by 5. So simple children. I told you to see the number line, denominator 5. Right? Denominator is 5. So see the numerator. It is minus 7. So take on the left side. Because it is minus, take on the left side of 0. Okay. So denominator is 5 to 7 means it is enough if you take till 8 or if you can take till 10 also. Okay. So minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. In that way you take. So this is your number line. We'll take on the left side only because negative values. So we can take only the negative values also. Minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Where you'll get 1? At 5 by 5, because if the denominator and numerator are same, then only you'll get 1, right? So minus 5 by 5 will get 1. Next, minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5, minus 10 by 5. Here you'll get minus 2. It is enough if you take till here. Okay. So let us see the next problem. Here is your next question. Represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13 and minus 9 by 13 on the number line. So see here all the denominators are same, right? If the same denominators are there, then you can represent on one number line. If they are different, please make them same first. How will you make them same? Suppose I gave 2 by 5, 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. And I ask you to represent these numbers on the number line. Then first you should take LCM of these three denominators, make them equal and denote on the number line. Okay. So here we'll see this problem first. So just draw the number line. Here he gave some negative values and one positive value, two negative and one positive. So we'll take both sides of 0. So 0 minus 1 by 13, because the denominator is 13. So I'll start from minus 1 by 13. Okay, because 2, 9, they are small numbers only, no? So I can take from 1. Minus 2 by 13, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here he asked minus 9 by 13. So it is enough if I take till 10 by 13. Okay, so indicated on the left side, minus 2 by 13. This is represented and minus 9 by 13 is represented here. Okay, now we'll go to the positive side. 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is 5. He asked here 5 by 13. If it is taken till 6 by 13, it is enough. So I indicated 5 by 13 on the number line. Okay, simple. Here whatever denominator is there, that you should take with 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, minus 1 by 13, 2 by 13, like that. Okay, and represent means you just you can round up like this also, or you can indicate with any color. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. So here is your next problem. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Simple. You should write 5 rational numbers, means you should write in P by Q form, which are less than 5 by 6. You can write other numbers also, not only this P by Q form, you can write natural whole also, but he asked smaller than this 5 by 6 means you can write smaller than this 5. Okay, put all the denominators same, okay, and write the smaller numbers than 5. Okay, means 1 by 6, like that. So the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6 are 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, minus all minus numbers you can write any minus number. Even if I can write minus 15 by 6 also, because minus numbers are always smaller numbers than the positive numbers. Okay, so here I took 3 positive values which are smaller than 5 on the numerator and 2 negative values. Okay, here you can take 0 by 6 also. 0 by 6 is anyhow it is 0, no? So 0 will be always less than this one because it is a positive value. Any positive value is greater than 0. Okay, any negative value is less than 0. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. So here is your next question. Find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. Okay, so if you see the integers, the integers between minus 1 and 2, you'll have only 0 and 1. Okay, but he asked here 12 rational numbers between them. Okay, so for this one you can use a plus b by 2 method, mean method, or you can go with into 10 by 10 method. Okay, if it is for 4 marks you go to this method, if it is for 8 marks you go to this method, if it is for 4 marks you go with this method. Okay, so here for this the explanation of this mean method is given in the exercise 1. Please follow the link given in the description for this exercise 1. Okay, so for this problem we'll go with into 10 and by 10 method. Means you should multiply into 10 for both these numbers and divide 10 for both these numbers. Okay, so minus 1 into 10 by 1 into 10 equal to minus 10 by 10. Here if there is no denominator means it is 1 only, right? So 1 into 10 is 10. Okay, similarly you do for 2 into 10 by 1 into 10, so 20 by 10. Now the denominators are same, then there will be so many numerators, different numerators in between these two numbers, right? So minus 10, here it is plus 20, so there are so many numbers in between. Okay, so means 20, before 20 you can write, okay, here it is minus 10 by 10, right? On the number line if you see it is minus 10 by 10, here it will be 0, and it is here 20 by 10, right? So whatever numbers are there in between you can write all these numbers, means minus 9 by 10, minus 6 by 10. No need to write in order also, you can write, you can pick out any numbers in between. Okay, 0 by 10, even 0 also you can indicate because it is rational numbers. 0 is also rational number. Next 2 by 10. Okay, so you can write any 12 rational numbers. Okay, so we can take any 12 rational numbers between these two numbers. So the 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2 are minus 9, minus 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I didn't take 0. You can take 0 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you asked only 12. So I wrote only 12 rational numbers. Okay. So simple. Do into 10 by 10 method. For whatever answers you got, if there are so many numbers in between the numerators, just write the numerators differently and the same denominators will be there. Okay, so what is this into 10 by 10 method? It is just making the denominators same. Okay, first you should make the denominators same, then you can write different numerators in between them. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. So here is your next question. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. So here he gave two different denominators. When there are same denominators like this 2 by 3 and 8 by 3, then I can write any rational number in between. Suppose like 4 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, anything I can write. Okay. So you can write directly a rational number between any two rational numbers if the denominators are same. Okay, when there are two different denominators, first we should make the denominators same. How we can make the denominator same? We can make them by using the LCM method. Okay, so take the LCM for both the denominators and write the numbers which are in between them. Okay, let me take the LCM between 3 and 4. So LCM between 3 and 4 is 12. Okay, so 12, here 2 by 3 is there. So for 3, what is multiplied to get 12? 4. Okay, so numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 4. So 2 fours 8 and 3 fours 12. Okay, now if you see here, here it is 4, 3 by 4. So to get 12, you should take 3. So because 4 into 3 is 12. So into numerator and denominator with 3. Okay, now you have here 8 by 12 and 9 by 12, but you cannot write a rational number between them because they are successive numbers. 8 and 9 are successive numbers, consecutive next numbers, right? So for this one, we'll go to the next slide and see how we wrote this. So you can write, you can, here you can do a plus b by 2 mean method, or you can do into 10 by 10 method also. Okay, so into 10 by 10 method also you can do. Okay, so 8 by 12 I got and 9 by 12 I got. Okay, so there are successive numbers, I cannot write them, so I'll into 10 and by 10 I can write any rational number between them. Okay, just now in the previous problem we discussed into 10 by 10 method. So in this problem we'll go with a plus b by 2 method. Okay, so by using a plus b by 2 method, we have 8 plus, here a is 8 by 12 and b is 9 by 12. So a plus b we wrote and by 2. Okay, so now take the LCM for the numerators first. Here 12 12, you'll have 12 only, and if the both the denominators and the LCM are same, the numerators will be added directly. Okay, so you'll get 8 plus 9 by 12 by 2. So 8 plus 9 is 17 by 12 by 2. So this 12 will go down. So 17 by, when it goes, it becomes into 12. Okay, so 17 by 24. So the rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is 17 by 24. So he asked only one rational number, so we found only one rational number. Okay, suppose if he asked one more, then you should take this 2 by 3 as a equal to this 2 by 3, and you should take b as this 17 by 24. Okay, your b will be this 17 by 24, and solve in the same way. Take the LCM and multiply the denominator with this 2. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. So here is your next question. Find 10 rational numbers. You should find out 10 rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. Okay, so if you observe carefully, here the denominator is 4 and here it is 6. Okay, so they are both different denominators, so you should take LCM first. Okay, to make the denominator same, we need to take the LCM. Okay, so here is the next step. LCM we are taking, we got 12. Okay, so to make 4 as 12, we should multiply 3 with the numerator and denominator. To make 6 as 12, we should multiply 2 and divide by 2. Okay, so you'll get minus 9 by 12, 10 by 12. So it is minus 9, it is not plus 9. Minus 9 plus 10, minus 9 plus 10, between 0 will be there, so there are so many rational numbers in between this negative and positive number. Okay, so you can pick out any 10 rational numbers between them. Okay, like this. I took from minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 2, 3. Okay, if you write 10, that is enough. 10 rational numbers you can pick out between them. So I hope you understood this video. Please take your own examples and do it. Practice makes man perfect. If you practice more, then only you will be perfect. Okay. So if you understand, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.